Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. Today I want to talk about a recipe I've been doing for, 15, 17 years. It's been a long time. Got the recipe from a bodybuilder named Jeremy, who reported to me on my team at one point, 15, 17 years ago. And I've been using it ever since. Basically, this Jeremy, he went to the Arnold Classic as a bodybuilder, and he did fairly well from what I could tell. So I've lost touch with him, and hopefully he's doing well. I have no idea where he went. Anyway, what he did was he would take 3 to 5 chicken breasts, place them in a crock pot, and start the slow cooking process. Now, what he did to make it work was he used this. This helped your metabolism speed up so that not only we're getting the protein from the chicken, but you're getting rid of some of that extra fat that you happen to have. So you just slow cook it, throw it over some rice, your favorite type of rice. I usually do white, sometimes brown, mostly white. For me, that's the better tasting. But if you haven't tried this recipe, take either 2 of these little bottles or 1 big bottle, throw it in the crock pot on top of that chicken. I cut my chicken up ahead of time so I don't have to do it later. He would just bring it into work as 1 big piece and throw it in the microwave, which, that works too. And enjoy. This is Michael from Explorers R Us, signing off with hopefully a recipe you'll enjoy.